Hi everyone, my name is Dr. David Kulla. Here are my favorite exercises for scoliosis. This is level 1 for scoliosis. It's really important though, before you begin these exercises, to know where your curves are, what type of scoliosis you have, whether it's an S shape or whether it's just one curve, whether it's to the right or to the left, a levoscoliosis or a dextroscoliosis. So as long as you know those things, you're ready to start these exercises. Good luck and feel free to comment below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. We appreciate you. Thanks for tuning in.
Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and place one hand on your hip. Extend the other hand into the air, leaning over to the side while you increase the stretch by pushing your hips in the opposite direction. Hold this position before you repeat on the other side. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Pull your belly button towards your spine and clench your buttock muscles to roll the tailbone up off the floor. The majority of the effort should come from your abdominal and buttock muscles. Your lower back should press firmly into the floor. Relax and repeat. Sit up straight in a chair and lift your hands to touch the side of your head, just behind your ears. Point your elbows forwards. Keeping your posture directly upright, move your elbows out to the sides. Holding this position with your arms, lean your upper body to one side, and then round to the other. You should feel the movement in your sides and upper back. Stand up straight sideways to a wall. Place one arm high up on the wall and the other on your hip. You may find it helpful to perform this movement in front of a mirror. Using your hands as a guide, move your hips towards the wall, ensuring you do not bend away in the other direction with your body. Your pelvis and shoulders should remain level, with your head and chest still directly above your feet. Hold this position before you return to the starting position.